Hello everyone. In the last video, we have created a copy assistant application by customizing this GPT-3 Sandbox. In today's video, we will look into how we can deploy that application over the internet. So for that purpose, I've copied the entire copy assistant application code into a new repository called GPT-3 Sandbox. And if you look, like all the code here resides in the root folder. So this is the must condition that needs to be followed whenever you're deploying the app via Streamlit sharing, because the Streamlit sharing looks at the requirement.txt file in the root folder to install the dependencies, and it also looks for main application file to run the Streamlit application. So we have all the code here in the GPT-3 Sandbox repository. We can copy this GitHub link, and then we can go here, share.streamlit.io. And here we have the option of creating the new application. We do that, paste the GitHub link, the branch is master. We can quickly select the main file, GPT. This is the application file that needs to be run and has the code of main application. Then just by clicking at the deploy button, we will be able to deploy the app over the internet. So here if you see, the Streamlit sharing is provisioning the machine, preparing the system, and it will be installing all the dependencies that is required to run that application. It will take some time, so we'll come back to it in a minute. So now all the dependencies are installed and processed, and the application is connected to the client. We can minimize that, and here's what we have as our application. This is deployed over internet. This is the sandbox. You can quickly copy the API key from the OpenAI dashboard and see if your application is created properly. You press enter and it lands you to the application page. So voila, you have successfully created your first GPT-3 application and deployed it over the internet. Congratulations.